In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete CMS collection Webflow, quick and easy. Let's jump straight in. First, head to your Webflow account and open your list of sites. From there, go to your project's dashboard and choose Open in Webflow. This takes you into the project so you can work inside it. Once you're in, click Design to launch the designer, where all the structure and CMS settings live. Inside the designer, open the CMS panel. If you're starting from a blank slate and see no collections, that's perfectly fine. Click that prompt, then click Create a Collection. In the Collection Setup window, give your new collection a simple name. Type in Highlight. This temporary collection will help us clearly demonstrate the deletion flow from start to finish. Before you create it, take a quick look at collection settings so you know what you're removing later. You'll see the collection URL, which defines the slug for this content type, and the collection fields, which include default fields like name and slug. You can also review the custom fields area, where you would normally add things like images, rich text, or references. We won't change anything here today, but it's helpful to understand what's included in a collection. Now click Create Collection to add it to your CMS. With that done, select the Highlight collection in the CMS panel so you're looking right at it. This is exactly where you would manage items if this were a real collection in use. To remove the collection, open its options and choose Delete Collection. Webflow will ask you to confirm because this action is permanent and will delete all items and the collection's template page. Click Delete to confirm and complete the process. That's it. The collection is gone. If you already had a collection you wanted to remove, you could skip the creation part and go straight to selecting the collection, choosing Delete Collection, and confirming Delete. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If the delete option is disabled or you see a warning, it usually means the collection is still being used somewhere, such as in a collection list on a page or as a reference in another collection. Remove those connections first, then return and delete the collection. Also, deletion is irreversible, so make sure you truly don't need the items or the template page associated with that collection. And that's the quick and easy way to delete a CMS collection in Webflow, from opening your project to confirming the final removal.